Okay, so our topic today is exponential functions. So we're given the standard form of an exponential function, right? So if a is greater than 0 and a does not equal 1, then the exponential function with the base a is given like this. That's how it comes from, okay? It's derived from that. Okay, next we look at these properties of exponents. Okay, and I have uploaded the attachment for this so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, but in this video, we're going to be learning to simplify expressions using properties of exponents, and then graphing some basic exponential functions. Okay, let's jump right into it. Okay, so these are our together questions. 7 questions. So we're given 3 squared times 3 cubed. So with my rules, okay, I'm going to take the base, which is 3, and then I have my exponents 2 and 3, and I'm going to add them. So then I get 3 to the 5th, and then I do 3 to the 5th power, which would be 243. Okay, just know that I'm using this. Okay, then we have 3 squared divided by 3 to the 1st power. With these, I'm going to keep my base, then I'm going to subtract. So it's 3 to the 1st power, which would just be 3. 2 to the 3rd, and all of that squared. Okay, when you see this, you take your base, and then you're going to multiply your exponents. So this becomes 2 to the 6th. 2 to the 6th power is 64. Okay, next one, 2 times 3 and all of that squared. So we take 2 squared times 3 squared. So this becomes 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 9. So this is 36. Next we have a half cubed. So we just apply that exponent to both the bottom and top, so the numerator and denominator. So 1 squared is 1, 2 cubed is 8, so 1/8. You can leave it as a simplified fraction, or you can go to a decimal. Next one, 4 to the negative 1st power. You can either just type that right into your calculator, or you can rewrite it. So I know when I have a negative exponents, I can move it to the bottom. So it'd be 1/4, and then it'd be to the 1st power. 1/4 to the 1st power is just 1/4. Okay, again, you can convert it to decimal if you want, or you can leave it like that. Next thing, we have a very basic exponential function. It's in the standard form. So I have f of x is equal to 5 to the x power. They want us to sketch a graph. So all we have to do is pick some x values, test it in here, sketch the graph. Okay, so I'm just going to pick -3 all the way to +3. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then I'm just going to test those. So you would put, that would be 5 to the -3 power. You can just type that right into your calculator. You get 0.008. 5 to the -2nd power. I get 0.04. 5 to the -1st would be 0.2. 5 to the 0 power. Any base or anything to the power of 0 is going to be 1. So 5 to the 1 is 5, 5 to the 2nd, 25, 5 to the 3rd, 125. So over here, I'm just going to sketch a graph. I know that's really close to 0, still pretty close to 0, a little bit higher. And then we have 0, 1, so 1. And then it's 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then it goes up and up and up. So this is good enough for a sketch. Even though we found these, we know that it's going to continue on this way, and then it's going to curve up. It's going to keep going up, 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 just like that. Okay, so you guys are going to try 7 questions just like these on your own. And if you guys have any questions, you feel free to watch the video as many times as you need to. Don't stress out, and email me with any questions. All right?